Let us solve this question. 10% of the voters did not cast their vote in an election between two candidates. 10% of the votes were found to be invalid. So if you have got 100 voters collectively, how many of them did not vote? 10% of them did not vote. 10% is going to be nothing but 10, right? How many of them voted? 90 of them voted. Then you have got not valid and then valid votes. 10% of the total polled votes were found to be invalid. So 10% of 9, which is 9 votes, will be not valid. How many votes will be valid? 81. Now this problem further says that the successful candidate got 50. So candidate number 1, who is successful, is getting 54% of valid votes. Candidate number 2 obviously is going to be getting 44% of valid votes. And the problem says that the person who is winning by a margin of 1620. So candidate number 1, who is getting 54% of valid votes, and candidate number 2 is getting 44% of valid votes. What is the margin? Margin is 8%. 54 minus 44, 40. This is what? 54%, and then this is going to be obviously 46%. 46%. So the difference obviously is going to be 8%. 8% of what value? 81. This is what we are getting. I hope you're understanding that. But as per the problem, this is what? 1620. So R 8 upon 100 into 81 is equal to 1620. And as per the problem, this values, if you look at it, this is 81, 82, 20. So R1 is going to be 100 upon 8 into 20. So this is going to be 225. If you simplify this, it is 250. So R1 is problems 250. बचपन का मेथड है ये, right? और वो पूछ कर रहा है कि how many of them enrolled. If R1 is problems 250, R100, because how many voters that we have taken? 100. So R100 is going to be what? 250 followed by 2 zeros, which is 25,000. Option number A is the right answer. Done.